Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious fruit sauce for pancakes. Making homemade fruit sauce is surprisingly simple and elevates any breakfast. You'll need just a few basic ingredients: your favorite fresh or frozen fruit, some sugar, and a splash of liquid like water or orange juice. A little lemon juice is also a secret weapon to really make those fruit flavors pop and keep your sauce vibrant. It's a quick and easy way to add a gourmet touch to your morning meal. Once you have your ingredients ready, the cooking process is straightforward. Simply combine your chosen fruit, sugar, and liquid in a saucepan. Place it over medium heat and stir occasionally. As the mixture warms, the fruit will begin to soften and release its juices. Continue to simmer gently for about 5 to 10 minutes or until the sauce reaches your preferred thickness. Some people like it chunky, others prefer it smoother. It's all about personal preference. One of the best parts about homemade sauce is how easily you can customize it. Taste your sauce and adjust the sweetness or tartness to your liking. A little more sugar or lemon juice can make a big difference. If you prefer a thicker sauce, a simple trick is to create a cornstarch slurry. Just mix 1 teaspoon of cornstarch with 2 teaspoons of cold water, then stir it into your simmering sauce. Cook for about 1 minute more, and it will thicken beautifully. Your delicious homemade fruit sauce is now ready to enjoy. It's fantastic served warm over a stack of fluffy pancakes, crispy waffles, or even a scoop of vanilla ice cream. If you have any leftovers, make sure to let the sauce cool completely before storing it. Transfer it to an airtight container and keep it in the refrigerator. It will stay fresh and flavorful for about 5 to 7 days, ready to brighten up your next breakfast or dessert.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.